8, wish you out of 9600 for 8000.
1588, NorCal on service for Roger. Would you please do one more?
310 speed, just with 8.
Freight vehicles are one-way, two-way right.
Quiet bridge, circle, Roger.
Speed 888 to reduce speed now to 180.
180 on the speed, circle.
Jet speed 888 to terminate 4000. Jet speed 888, NorCal.
Just like that.
Would you prefer to do a flyby for the tower to take a look at the gear?
Speed 888, sure.
Speed 888, right, you can expect that. If you follow the crest at 11 o'clock and 5 miles, from there up to 4000 for 28 left, you'll follow and overfly the right runway.
I will overfly the right runway, just speed 888.
If you follow the crest at 11 o'clock and 3 miles from there, bus to 4000, you have that traffic right to the left runway?
No, Nikolai, we got traffic inside.
Just if you follow that traffic there for the left, clear visual approach to runway 28 right.
Clear for visual 28 right, just speed 8 behind the traffic.
Just turn left and approach.
020 down to 3, just speed 888. Clear for visual, dead right, just speed 888. We got the traffic inside.
San Francisco Tower, Mobile 203 on Metro, reported check line.
And verify the mobile vehicle's call sign?
203.
Okay, in mobile 203 on the north end, correct?
That's the first.
And mobile 203, you're approaching 10 left down there?
That's the first.
Mobile 203, you can proceed on the runway 10 left and hold shuttle runway 1 left.
Sorry, I'm at the east end. I misunderstood you.
Okay, I'm sorry, you're at the east end. Okay, then continue to hold short of all runways.
Right, 203.
San Francisco Tower, Rescue 37 on Charlie, holding short 1 left, cross 1 left, 1 right.
Rescue 37, San Francisco Tower, cross runway 1 left, cross runway 1 right. Traffic is holding in position on runway 1 left.